Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So finally, after planning for a very long time, we are going to Abu Dhabi for a city tour. Okay, we'll be visiting a lot of places. Okay, it's a private tour only. Okay, and by the way, I'm going with my roommate, Mr. Parveen from Mangalore. Okay, so today's trip is accompanied by one guy for me. So let's enjoy the trip to the max, and I hope that you all have subscribed so you are watching this video. So let's begin with the vlog. Okay, so let's go to Barsha Heights now, Dubai Internet City. I'll see you after some time. Okay guys, so we have reached Hotel Mercure over here, which is in Dubai Internet City, Barsha Heights, and they have told us to wait over here. Usually the pickup is actually in Bar Dubai Dera, but they have told that you all can come and stay over here because we stay in the south. So from Barsha Heights is nearby. Okay, so we'll be waiting over here. And by the way, this tour is organized by Travel Pack 365. Not a sponsored video. We have paid money. We have paid money and we are going. So okay, आगे की details बाद में बताते हैं. Okay, आगे की details बाद में. So let's wait for them. Okay guys, so the bus also has come. Okay, we were on the other side, so this people have come behind and I'll just show you the bus. Okay, so finally in the bus as well. Okay, the bus has left. ज़्यादा लोग है नहीं. Okay, it's a good thing. So I will meet you directly in Abu Dhabi now. Okay, मिलते हैं.
Missing someone with all your heart. Missing someone with heart. How much you miss it, and you deserve. From the start, and you did right from the start. Missing someone.
Welcome to Abu Dhabi, UAE. First destination, Bab Sindhu Mandir. Okay, it's quite hot outside, almost 50 degrees. So if you're coming in the hot summer, make sure that you bring your umbrella. This is my umbrella now. We'll be using the umbrella, and I'll just meet you with the tour guide also. So we are just standing in the umbrella. It has some shade. Otherwise, if you come outside, it's very hot. But हमारे Parveen bhai is helping me to keep us a little bit cool in the umbrella. Okay, so if you're coming in the hot summer, make sure that you carry umbrella, otherwise you'll get baked. Okay, so let's. Okay, we didn't start as yet. We're just waiting for the guide actually, and we'll make sure that you meet the guide as well. Okay? So guys, ये हमारे guide है. He's Mr. Murli, and he's from Kerala.
No, Hyderabad.
Hyderabad. Okay, so Mr. Murli is from Hyderabad, and he is the guide for the tour. Okay, so as I have told you, we have come from Travel Pack 365 and he's working for that. Okay, and right now we are entering. So आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे मुरली सर?
Actually यहाँ पे एंट्री होने के लिए रजिस्ट्रेशन करना पड़ेगा, एंड रजिस्ट्रेशन होने के बाद अपना पीछे की तरफ अपना ग्रुप आ रही है सारे. ये मंदिर है राइट साइड में, वो सब जैसे आप एंट्री होंगे, एंट्री होने के बाद फर्स्ट शू उतार के आप लोग मंदिर विजिट करके फिर इसमें आप लोगों को प्रसाद मिलेगा। वो प्रसाद लेके फिर रिटर्न आप लोग बस में आएंगे। बस में आने के बाद नेक्स्ट डेस्टिनेशन के पास इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ इसका।
Thank you, Murli.
वेलकम।
So right now going towards the registration, and we have already been registered because we have already paid in advance only. So let's get inside the mandir now. Mr. Parveen is yeah, coming behind with the chata. Yeah, so you can prepare it off now. We'll meet you inside after the registration, okay? We have come inside also. There was a little bit of check-in like how you have on the airports, right, where they told us to remove all the phones and all, okay, all your belongings, and then they have the check-in, okay. And me and Parveen are currently going towards the mandir also right now, okay. And by the way, it's going to be a fun experience today, right?
Yeah, it's hot.
Okay, and it's very hot outside, so make sure that you get your umbrella, otherwise get baked in Abu Dhabi's क्या बोलते हैं Abu Dhabi's sun. Okay, so a lot of things are going to be done. Okay, so I will see you. Okay guys, so before entering you have to remove your shoes, okay. So there are these racks over here, okay. You keep your shoes and then you enter the mandir. So we have removed our shoes, now we are going to the mandir, okay. So we'll show you this. Okay guys, so I had visited the temple inside, but vlogging is not allowed, but still I could just take some few shots and all. Outside the mandir you can take a lot of shots, so definitely a must place to visit in case you're coming to Abu Dhabi, Bab Sindhu Mandir. And there are a lot of temples and all inside. I really don't know the name of gods, but respect all the religions, all the gods inside, okay. And it's a beautiful place, okay, especially the interior marbles and all, it's all handmade. So that actually makes it look quite different. And still the mandir is under construction, and on Mondays it's closed, okay. So from Tuesday to Sunday the mandir is open, so you can come over here. There are tour buses also, as I have told you, as we have come, you can come over here, you can visit, or else if you have your own car you can come over here, okay. And these are some like nice you know, waters and all they have created, okay. I'll just show it to you. Yes, and that's the area where people come and they, you know, sit over there. And this is the whole mandir area, okay. Videography, photography not allowed, but yes, you can come visit the temple as well, okay. Really a truly nice and spiritual place to visit. Bab Sindhu Mandir, Abu Dhabi. Okay guys, done with the Hindu mandir. Now the next destination will be Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, okay. And please don't forget your umbrella, otherwise ऐसे लटकना पड़ेगा हम लोगों को. Okay, so let's go to Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, okay. Okay guys, so before going for the mosque, we are just come to this restaurant over here to have something, but after that 1:30 we have to reach the mosque also. So this is Food Mania restaurant, okay. Let's see कुछ खाते पीते. I'm almost full, but कुछ ना कुछ खाते, okay. So let's just go inside. Okay guys, so just done with the lunch as well. It was nice. तो बिरयानी खाया हम लोगों ने. And now we are heading towards Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. After that there will be Ferrari World, Dates Market and all those things. So let's continue the journey. Okay guys, so the next destination is Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. On the way they were showing some different buildings and all of different things, but you know, on the camera, on the phone, it doesn't come sometimes. So anyways, we'll speak about the main destinations, and whatever I must have showed you all. So this is the second destination, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. Okay, let's go inside. For the ladies, please be a bit careful. Make sure that you wear full sleeves and you come, and make sure that you wear full sleeves and come, and if possible then cover your head also. Okay, boys, हम लोग safe. Okay, no problem with the boys. We'll not wear shorts and come. Okay, so we'll see you after some. Okay, so actually now where we came from, this is the entrance area, okay, to the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. And for ladies and all, you have this, you know, you can purchase all this stuff to cover your head and all. हम लोग के लिए तो कुछ ऐसा है नहीं, but it's only for the ladies over here, okay. So make sure that you wear full sleeves and come, otherwise you'll have to buy over here, okay. And this is the area through which we go inside, okay. So let's enter and see what is there for the ladies also. Come. So guys, finally we have reached Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque as well. Okay, looks very nice, and the beautiful architecture. Okay, we'll be entering inside now. Okay, looks really nice from outside. We'll be just entering now.
So this is the pillar which I told you. This is the gold pillar. The Muslims who pray here is the gold pillar.
Okay.
On the walls you can see 99 Islamic names which are written in gold painting. And these are the chandeliers, 3 chandeliers. This is the longest one and largest one, which is 12 tons and with original gold and diamond. And you can see the pillar here. This is the single piece carpet which has went to the Guinness Book of World Records.
So ये वाला है.
This has been got 2 times the Guinness Book of World Records, and you can see the carpet which is made for 18 months for 3,000 members worked on this. This is
also handmade.
Handmade, and this is a single piece carpet which is the area in which area is 5,500 square feet.
Okay, okay, that's very nice. And this
Square
carpet
meters.
was made from in India or from any other country?
The local people.
Local
and,
people.
They had hand woven,
Okay, so but this is the handmade one.
handmade.
That's a very nice thing actually. It looks so
And-
beautiful inside.
And you can also see the watch over there. This
Okay.
is the prayer time is from morning to night.
Okay, okay.
Okay. You can take a.
We are almost done. Seeing the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque, definitely a must-visit place if you are coming again to Abu Dhabi. And by the way, we were just having a conversation that you have to enjoy your life, okay? Because life is very small, very short. If you are there today, you are there tomorrow, you are there. Oh no, we really don't know. So enjoy your life today.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need's right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. We got everything we
We are in now Marina Island. You can see this is a Marina beach, and you can see two towers over there. These are the Nation Towers. In Nation Towers, one is Century Hotel, other one is the Department of Tourism and Cultural Office. And you can also see a triangular shape, rectangular shape building. This building is Abu Dhabi National Oil Corporation main headquarters, which is famous for offshore, not onshore. Onshore building is another one, offshore building is different. And you can also see 5 towers over there. These are the Jumeirah Etihad towers. In these 5 towers, 3 are residential, one is hotel, other one is the officers complex. And these 5 towers are maintained by Jumeirah Etihad Airways.
Okay.
And you can also see Presidential Palace,
Yeah.
Emirates Palace Hotel, and the Presidential Palace is on the opposite side. We can just have a picture from here.
Yeah.
So we are in
So this is made up of all of islands, right?
This is an island. We have here 5 islands. The biggest one is Saadiyat Island,
Saadiyat Island.
then Yas Island, Marina, Maria, and Al Rim.
So this is basically
This is
Marina.
another Marina Island.
Marina. Yeah. Looks really beautiful.
And here you can see the Presidential Palace over there.
Ha. Yes. The coolest place, okay? Abu Dhabi Marina City. Okay, this is basically an island, and literally if you see, there is no one, okay? Apart from Haktior group, there is no one over here, because if this was Dubai, then it would have been very chaos and confusion, and it's so cool over here, okay? Because we are right now near the water. Looks very, very nice. And Mr. Parveen is actually on his phone sending pictures to his wife. कि बीवी का cough है ना? Yes. And that looks like a little bit of Atlantis over there if you see. Yeah, so nice. Green waters, blue waters also you can see. The Marina Island is really, really nice. Okay, Mr. Parveen took a lot of pictures for his wife. Okay. So wife is first, after that girlfriend. And I'm just kidding. I know his wife and kids are also watching my channel. ऐसा बोलूँगा तो उसकी बीवी मेरे को मारेगी. So he is a very saint guy. Okay. बोल रहा मैं. So now I think it's going to be some different location. I think Dates Market is also there. So I will meet you directly in the Dates Market.
Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over.
एक्सक्यूज मी, हेलो,
Hi, please.
देखिए आपको जो दिया था ये वाला खजूर है, इसका नाम है मजदूर। ये सऊदी अरबिया का प्रोडक्ट है, ये वाला ऑर्गेनिक चीज़ है। मतलब मजदूर में बहुत सारी वैरायटीज आता है, प्रीमियम क्वालिटी, लो क्वालिटी, मीडियम क्वालिटी। ये ऑर्गेनिक डेट से प्रीमियम क्वालिटी है, सबसे बड़ा मजदूर। और दूसरा जो आपको जो दिया था ब्लैक कलर का छोटा वाला, इसका नाम है अजवा। ये भी सऊदी अरबिया का है, ये भी ऑर्गेनिक है। ये अजवा के डायबिटीज पेशेंट, शुगर पेशेंट एंड जॉइंट पेन के लिए सब खाने का चीज़ है अजवा। और बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स है, इसके पीछे लिखा हुआ है, आप पढ़ सकते हैं, ठीक है, इसी का। और ये जो मजदूर जो होता है, रिच इन प्रोटीन, हाई फाइबर, 0 फैट, मजदूर का बेनिफिट।
This is called gawa basically, and they told me to eat it with this. Okay, so a little bit of gawa with it, very hot, and eat it with the dates. Very nice one. Mr. Parveen has bought some dates for his family. Show. Which one he has bought? Yeah, watermelon pistachios. Okay. He's going home next month, and the chocolate is by this. Okay, it looks like this inside. Okay, there'll be dates and pistachios coating. It will taste really nice. Okay, so he's going home next month, so you can he can give it to his family, to his wife, and if he has girlfriends, he can give it to his girlfriend also. Okay, yes, and I think there's only one more last destination, that is Ferrari World after this, and after this we are going to go back. Okay, guys, so we have come for the last destination, that is the Yas Island Ferrari World. Okay, and it looks really nice from here. I will show it when we go on top. Okay, by the way, this is the last stop, so we are just winding up, and it's already 6:45 now, so we have to go back to Dubai as well. Okay, so this is the Ferrari World Abu Dhabi. There are tickets and all over here, and we are just entering over here because we just have like 15 minutes left. After that we are going back to Dubai, and since it's the last destination, we don't have much time also. And in the month of November and December, there are like this F1 races also which happen. By the way, these are like foodies and all you can buy from here. So you have to go inside actually, only then you will get this thing. It's a big thing, it's not a very small thing guys, so it will take a lot of time also. Okay, there is races also which happen. So this is where you have to take the tickets and all. You can book it through online also. There are a lot of things over here, like I'll show you one Formula 1 car also which is there. Yes, and this is the F1 racing car, the Formula 1, okay, which happens. Yes. Okay, it has a cup also over here, the championship cup. It's really nice. These are the track machines basically. Okay, and look at the tires and all, they're so massive and big. Would love to vlog and drive this car on the track. Okay, maza aa jata. And this is where you have all these activities and all which happen inside. Okay, they have one Ferrari store also. Wow, this is very nice. Okay, all these jackets and all are there for men and as well as ladies. You can buy all your accessories and all over here. Okay, your clothing is there. A lot of things are over there. And this is the inside part. Okay, you can click your pictures also over here. There are these cameras also which are set up. You can click your pictures and all. You can come over here. Okay. And by the way guys, this was it for today's vlog. I hope you like the entire Abu Dhabi vlog. We started from Bab Sindhu Mandir, then we went to the masjid as well, Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. After that, we did a lot of activities and all. certain things which they showed only from the bus, which we couldn't get out. So if at all you want to come over here, you can contact Travel Pack 365. I will drop the number and the location also over here. You can come, you can visit them. And by the way, it was really nice Abu Dhabi tour. So the price of the trip is only 80 dirhams. Within 80 dirhams, you can get a lot of things done. Okay, lunch is not included. Lunch you have to do by yourself only. So that was it, guys. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe, and do not forget to click on that notification bell. Otherwise, you will not get any of my crazy updates. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next upcoming videos.